In a world where GPS devices are ubiquitous and vehicles with mobile connectivity are commonplace, Nimbus Venture Fleet Management Solution reimagines software solutions for inter alia transport management and construction management systems. The Fleet Management Solution is powered by the Nimbus V Connect platform, a best-of-breed cloud IoV platform that supports multiple GPS device types, enabling integration with various sensors and data readers. Furthermore, the solution is capable of driving other electronic devices and reading their data. Among its key features is the ability to track vehicles in real time with live status tracking and live movement tracking facilities. The solution provides effective analysis data to reduce fuel costs. It supports the evaluation of idle time, configuration of safe speed limits for each resource, and the monitoring of violations, dispatching nearest available vehicle for a job, route planning, monitoring and optimization, and tracking route deviations and unauthorized use of vehicles. You can make highly effective decisions at the correct time in an effective manner by increasing productivity and enabling direct supervision, scheduling distribution and route planning, tracking adherence to schedules and routes, tracking activities in real time, minimizing idle time and unauthorized deviations, providing all necessary details at the correct time. The moment you start using Nimbus Venture Fleet Management Solution, you will be on a path to elevating your services to an upper echelon. Contact us for more details.